Heya, are you ready for the letter G? It makes the sound G, G, G. Now, shall we sing it? Okay.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle.
Okay, now here are some words that begin with the G. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, grapes. G, G, guitar. G, G, goose. Now, this time you work. Spot the G in the words. Okay? Okay, now let's do Google. Grasshopper. Goggles. Sugar. Burger. Nice. Now, let's write the G. G, G, G. How do we write it? Let's call in our blue solid line, our red broken line, and our lower blue solid line, and our green broken line. Now, G is a long letter, but we still start from the broken line. Okay? So, start from the broken line, the pink broken line, and let's go round up and down, down, down to the green broken line and curve a little. We go round up and down, down, down to the broken line. One more time. Down, up, and down, down, down to the broken line. Okay? Now you do it. Yep, you do it. So we go round up and down, down, down to the broken line, the green broken line. We go round up and down, down, down to the green broken line. Good job. I'll see you in the next letter. Bye.